When I'm moving the pot with the tea towel, an edge catches inside the oil, so when I lift up the tea towel, the oil just flicks all over my arm. Greg saves me. He just rips open a bottle of water. Yeah, just put it on my shoulder. Just landed there.
Jesus.
That was lucky, eh?
Right, Tim, how are we going?
Yeah, good, thank you.
Yeah, what's with the flour?
That's just to roll out my flatbread. First, I need to roll out the flatbread. Greg's was so thin, but I'm really struggling to get it as thin as his.
You want me to roll up my sleeves, or we okay?
No, we're good.
Yeah. No? Okay, shall I leave you to it? Hey, well, it is, Tim. It is.
Have somewhere where all your implements are, OK? Make a station.
Me and Glenda know what needs to get done. We've sort of come up with those donuts or the choux pastry balls. They need to get on straight away. I need to get my chicken on, and I need to get the beef on so that that can rest as well. And I need to roll out the flatbreads and get those onto the grill as well. So there's lots that need to be done out there in the desert.
I'm just going to pop this one in and see how we go, OK? See how long it's going to take and if it's not going to work. Those brains go in the fridge. Is this supposed to still be on?
So when they said the challenges out here, oh, so happy. This is Tim Reed on a plate. Better deliver.
It shouldn't be too hard out here, Josh.
No, I mean, it's obviously desert conditions. It's a little bit testing, but where else would you rather be right now?
I'd rather be right here.
Just going to put the tagine on, get those carrots cooked. OK. You happy on the hot plate? Yeah.
To top it off, being outside in the heat cooking, we have to be over a smouldering hot charcoal fire with a hot plate and grill and boiling oil for the donuts. I mean, yeah, talk about talking extreme.
You know, you've got lots of heat, but you can go higher if it's getting too hot.
I've been marinating the chicken. I just throw it on the char grill, get it nice and brown on each side. I'm just checking it. It's getting black very fast.
A little bit of colour on that.
Yep.
Beautiful. It's going in your tagine?
It'll go on the top nicely with you guys will get a piece each.
OK.
So I get some tin foil, I put the chicken in there, wrap it up and just put it on the top and let it all simmer in those juices.
So happy with your flatbread? Yeah, just getting there. I've done one. Just got the other one to do.
So the oil is really hot and I don't want to take the chance of it splashing, so I'm just going to drop them in.
Even that's pretty hot, isn't it? Yeah. We've got to cook our bread, we've got to cook the donuts and cook the steak. Everything else either needs to be kept warm or kept cool until we need to serve it. Hot enough?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. You could probably cook that on the ground.
I'm going to get straight onto the flatbread, OK? OK. Are you OK?
Yeah. So I've got the beef on, I'm searing that each side. I'm happy with the consistency. Pull it off and I put the tin foil over and let it rest and just pray that it's not completely too rough.
Just need some bangers and some white bread. We'll be sorted. The flatbreads come off and they're cooked great. They just look exactly how I wanted them to look. I'm so happy.
How you going?
So funny. Yeah, good. We're just about to get the flatbreads on, so...
You under control?
Yeah, I think so.
Really?
I think almost the components are good to go. I'm going to spend the last 15 minutes focusing on plating.
Are you going to win this?
Of course we are. We're the girls.
Salt and pepper. I've got salt and pepper here. I then get the beef out and I need to start cooking the beef. I can't wait for this.
Boys, how are you going?
Good, thank you, Mark.
You all right?
Yeah, good. Just about to cook some steak.
Yeah. Perfect. This is like a good Hawke's Bay barbecue going on over here.
Too right.
What do you think, Greg?
All right, awesome.
OK, dessert's done. How many flatbreads do you need?
4 minimum. Yep.
And that's another job done.
Yep.
Yeah?
Bread's good. I haven't cooked it over an open flame before, so it's charring a bit more than I'm used to, but it's going well.
Hales, I'm going to need another small one. I think this one's too burnt. I think that one's up. Yeah.
All right, I'll go get the rice and the chicken. All right? Yep.
How's that feel, mate?
Thank you.
Massage as well? Yeah? Anything else I can do for you?
While Tim is doing his thing, I need to start plating up because it's not just one dish, it's 7.
Whew, ow, it's so refreshing.
Al keeps coming over and putting, like, cold towels on us, squirting water down our back, which is great.
What's your bread?
Put mine on it.
Nice. This looks like a little biryani. So lots of sauce with the marrow as well.
Yes.
Don't be frightened. And don't be frightened with the extra virgin olive oil to finish.
I didn't have any time for oil and garlic, so the bread might be a little dry. Do you want me to oil them now? Yep, just do a little bit of oil.
All of a sudden, all the dishes, all the components are there, and we start plating.
It's better later. Beef's done. We'll let it rest. Yep, take it on it. I need to get these donuts sorted. The oil has taken a long time to heat up, and so I need to get these on now, otherwise they're just not going to cook in time.
They're tough little things to play with, aren't they?
Yeah.
Come on, girls, you're doing great. How's that beef going?
Beautiful.
And what are you doing with it?
Hummus, then this, then the tabbouleh, and this on top with our herb yogurt on top.
Do you need that there?
No.
Good. There you go.
These souvlakis, they're our twist on the dish. They're about recreating what the everyday Kiwi associates with Middle Eastern food.
You know what, Josh? I'm so proud of them.
I think they're doing a really good job. They've got plenty of time, and hopefully, it's really reflected in the food, the flavours, the seasonings. Oh,
You're right.
has he just burned himself?
When I'm moving the pot with the tea towel, an edge catches inside the oil, so when I lift up the tea towel, the oil just flicks all over my arm. Greg saves me. He just rips open a bottle of water. Yeah, just pour it on my shoulder. Just landed there.
Jesus.
That was lucky, eh? Yeah, that's good. Thank you. Yeah, it doesn't feel too bad, so I'm just going to keep pushing. Wouldn't be a barbecue without a little bit of fire.
I don't think we've got that much time. Yeah. Do we want the lettuce in there? Question, quick. Do we? Yeah. It goes well with the tabbouleh.
Okay. We get an opportunity to have a play with things, decide on which dishes we want to use, just working out what goes in where.
For now, that'll do.
Sorry, my knuckles are getting sore.
That's all right. Just let them sit. I can watch them for a while.
Oh, thank you.
You just burn yourself?
Repair yourself.
Just got a little bit of oil on my T-shirt, but it's not too
You
bad.
right?
Yeah, I'm good.
You sure?
Yep.
I'll watch them.
Thank you very much. Greg says he's got the donuts. I can go help Leo with the plating, get onto that. So I'm not going to argue with the man, and I take off. You good? Time for beef?
Time for beef?
Yep. You ready?
Be cooked, be cooked, be cooked. Beautiful. Yum.
And with the Turkish chili, don't be frightened of it.
Okay.
It's
Not too hot.
pretty. It's not hot at all. Just have a little taste. But it's actually quite mild.
It is.
5 minutes, everybody. Just 5 minutes.
So we've taken the tagine off the heat. I've started to plate it up, and Hayley tests the carrots.
Nah, don't put them on.
In the end, we actually take them out because there's just too much crunch left in them.
Guys, are we on your side? Are we cooking these donuts for you?
Yeah, I'm coming back.
It's all right. I'm happy to burn them for you.
Gee whiz, they're getting pretty dark. No pressure, but the girls are looking like they're going to have a cup of tea before they put their plates up. They're that far ahead.
Yum. Yum. You did good, babe. You did good.
Is it all right? Yeah. Thank you. Thanks, Chef.
Bit of extra hummus. Oh, we've got that on there.
Oh, you already done it?
Yeah.
Oh, you little sweetheart.
An extra lentil.
When we got the brief, they had told us that we could do 7 dishes or 7 components all combined together. So we've made like the flatbread sandwich in a way that has the hummus and the tabbouleh and the beef, which is 3 sort of in one. So we've also done little portions of it as well so they can taste them individually.
That's pretty. And a little bit of chopped parsley on it, maybe.
Lamb looks great.
Get everything, mate? All right, start garnishing, eh?
Yep.
Blacking the leaves.
Start garnishing.
4 minutes.
Thank you, Al.
Come on, guys. Last few minutes. Fresh herbs. You happy with everything? The girls over there, they're nailing it. Look at them.
That's all right.
They're relaxed.
Yeah? Yeah, love
Happy?
it.
We've already finished plating. We could probably tweak and touch things, but I just think we'd overdo it.
Done. I'm happy with that. Yeah.
You can step back for a moment and be like, wow, we just did that in the desert. Who does that?
Oh my God. That was the hardest thing I've ever done. In my life. But I'm so proud of what we've done. It looks beautiful.
Tim, I hate to tell you this, but you need to be over here.
Yeah. You got
Sorry,
one of the
guys.
greatest chefs in the world cooking your donuts, mate. OK? That's taking liberties.
Enough's enough, and I've got to take over these donuts. I've got to finish them off.
They're almost there. They're probably a minute off.
Okay, thank you.
Tim,
Yep,
come on.
yep.
Really? It's a bit of a mess here.
Yes, Al.
Tim,
You're under 3 minutes. You've got to bring it home, or you're going home.
Yes, Al.
2 minutes and 30 seconds. Girls, are you happy?
Yes, very. We're done.
Look at them, they're tasting. They're all done.
Do they need a hand?
Do they need a hand?
Do you want to help them? Do you want to go and help them?
Give them a hand.
Think about it, Reba. Think about it.
It's bread. Go. Boom. Tick it off. Donuts.
coming. Don't forget the pistachios to go with that.
Yeah?
Yeah. Where are they?
It's just garnish.
Yep.
This is not finished. This dish is not finished, OK? You've got a minute and a half to finish that dish. Otherwise, it's just beef with some parsley and tomato on it.
There's it right there.
Hey, you boys need a hand?
Yeah, come on.
Oh, I didn't really mean it. No.
Those Liffey girls have finished and they're letting us know.
They're finishing strong, though, over here. They're finishing really strong.
Come on, boys.
Look at that. Have you tried it? Yeah. Tried it?
Yes, sir.
So need a bit of sea salt, some olive oil.
There is some sea salt. And the tray, Leo. Oh, don't worry, I've got it.
Oh, that's really good. Yeah, so good. Okay. Yum, yum. I'm so happy with that.
Down to a minute, under a minute. What's happening with the raisins? They're in? Yeah? Happy?
Get your thumb off it.
Sorry. Okay. Put a little bit in my hair.
20 seconds, guys. Did you try?
Yep.
Yeah? Happy?
Yep.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
Oh, they did it.
4,
Damn it.
3, 2, 1. Step away from the sand dune.
Oh, my God.
It's time to take the platter up to the judges, and I'm just so proud of what we've been able to achieve. It's exciting to be able to deliver this.
Yeah, guys.
Wow.
It's, not in your wildest dreams do I think that you would ever believe that you could have put something like this together in such a beautiful and exotic place. How did it go, guys?
It was good.
One heck of a ride, eh?
It looks pretty damn good. So
Thank you.
I look forward to tasting.
Leave us to taste. And sadly, we won't see you till tomorrow when we will give you the results.
Thanks so
Thank
much,
you.
guys. Hope
Have
you
a good
enjoy
rest,
it.
guys. Well done.
Big ups,
Yeah.
guys. Big
Thank
ups,
you.
boys. Well done.
Thank you.
Let's go for it. Yeah, grab some bread.
It's good.
The hummus is nice and creamy. Enough lemon, tahini. But
very
yeah,
light, isn't it?
A little bit of salt overload, but it's good.
The brains are really good. They just melt in your mouth.
Yeah, the brains are great.
Nicely cooked. Brain sauce, good.
What I'm getting from these guys is everything is seasoned to its maximum, and you know, it's making a big difference to the food.
Yeah. The courgettes went quite right. When you bite into courgettes, they should have a little bit of garlickiness and refreshing mint flavors as well. You know, this tastes bland.
Let's get into the desserts.
Let's try that
Shoe
dessert, shall we?
balls.
We can tell you which desert meal we liked the most. And that will count to whether you stay or whether you go home at the end of the Dubai trip.
Hayley, Glenda. Your platter looked spectacular. And you finished early. But there were a couple of glitches.
To hear that we've had glitches, I'm pretty gutted.
Your tabbouleh was way short on seasoning. And your Middle Eastern tacos? Well, they were a creative reinvention. They didn't really fit on that big platter. A little bit like a school lunch in the middle of all that deliciousness.
Disappointed with that because me and Glenda tasted them and they were beautiful.
Man, the judges have got harsh.
Leo and Tim, we loved your attitude. You really took that challenge on with a lot of gusto. You had a great plan, and that was awesome. Even though you just got there in the end, you were tight for time, but you delivered an absolutely beautiful platter. Now, Greg's only comment was that he found that the courgettes were a little bit off. However, your seasoning was really spot on. It was aggressive, but it was tempered with everything else that you did, so that was perfect. The best of the best was your dessert. Those donuts were absolutely outstanding, and the saffron with the vanilla and the syrup just worked an absolute treat. Greg said that he would have you guys in his kitchen any day.
Greg Malouf said that we could work in his restaurants. I was like, can I? Can I really?
Big ups to you guys.
So, boys, the day in the desert goes to you.
I'm very good at it.